Namaskar. Welcome back to KNS Biochemistry channel. In this session, I am going to talk about a topic related to medical field. Suppose if we are visiting some hospitals or some medical shops or any place which is related to medical area, we can able to see some of the medical abbreviations or terms used there, some terms written over there. If you read that terms or that abbreviations or some symbols, you see that as a common man we cannot understand that, but at the same time the people who are working in that area, that is medical field, they will know the meaning of those things, they will understand the words, they will know the that is the expansion of the abbreviations. How do they know it? Because they are in that field, they read all those things, they understand that things, so it becomes easy for them. But for a common man, it looks like something new, some new words, or the words that cannot be pronounced, or the abbreviations that could not be expanded. So in that situation, so we'll feel that we have to know something about those medical terms. So this session is going to help you all, whoever is not there in the medical field, they can understand some of the words, some of the abbreviations used in medical field. So I'm going to talk about medical terminology, that is the words, the medical terms used in the field of medicine. So let us start the session now. So in this video session we are going to see about under medical coding, one of the area is medical terms or medical terminologies. And the previous sessions we have seen some of the medical terminologies. We are going to continue with that one. The medical terms used in the field of medicine. So there are common prefixes used in medical field. They are all very common prefixes, and we can see them one by one. What is a prefix and the meaning of that prefix? It is given in the table. A means lack of or without. Ab means away from. Abdomen, that is the stomach area, abdomen. Then acr, acro means pertaining to an extremity. Ad means to or toward something. Adeno, pertaining to a gland. An means without lack, without or lack, without or lack of, that is an. Ana and ana means up, back or again. Angio means vessel. Anti means before or forward. Anti, against something, opposed to something. Then arterio, artery. Arthro pertaining to a joint area. Auto means self, meaning. Bi means to. Bio pertaining to life, bio. Then blasto, germ or a cell is called blasto. Biliformo pertaining to an eyelid. Brady means slow. Calc means stone, also heel. Cardio pertaining to the heart. Cephalo pertaining to the head. Cerebro pertaining to the cerebrum, a part of the brain. Then cervico pertaining to the neck or the uterine cervix, uterus cervix. Chole, chole, chole pertaining to bile. Chondrio pertaining to cartilage. Circum, around or about. Contra means against or opposite. Costo pertaining to a rib. Cyano means blue. Cysto pertaining to the bladder or any fluid containing sac. Cyto pertaining to a cell. D means down from. Dermato pertaining to the skin. Di means twice or double. Bi means two. This is twice or double. Dia means through or completely. Dis means difficult, painful, abnormal. Ecto means out from. Electro means pertaining to electricity. Endo means within. Entero means pertaining to the intestine. Epi means upon or on. Erythro pertaining to anything red or to erythrocytes, red blood corpuscles. EU means EC, good, normal. Exo means outside. Extra means outside in addition. Then gastro pertaining to the stomach. Glyco means sugar. Gyneco means pertaining to females or the female reproductive organs. Hemato means pertaining to blood. Pertaining to blood is hemato. Hemi means half. Hemo means pertaining to blood. Hepato means pertaining to the liver. Hetero means other or different. Home means homo, same or like. Hydro means water. Hyper means excessive or over. Hypo means deficient or under. Then hystero means pertaining to the uterus. Infra means below. Inter means between. Intra means within. Iso means equal. Latero means side. Leuco means pertaining to anything white or to leukocytes, white blood cells. Litho means pertaining to a stone. Macro means large. Mal means abnormal condition or bad condition. Medi means middle. Mega means large. Melan means black. Melanin, like that, black. Meningo pertaining to a membrane, particularly the meninges. Micro means small. Mono means single, one. Myelo means pertaining to the spinal cord, the bone marrow or the myelin sheath. Myo means pertaining to muscle. Naso pertaining to the nas. Neo means new. Nephro means pertaining to the kidney. Neuro means pertaining to a nervous system or nerve or the nervous system. Nocto means night. Oligo means little or deficient. Uphoro means pertaining to the ovary. Ophthalmo means pertaining to the eye. Orchido pertaining to the testicles. Archio pertaining to the testicles. Oro means pertaining to the mouth. Ortho means straight or normal. Osteo pertaining to the bone. Off pertaining to the ear. Sorry, it is not off. Oto means pertaining to the ear. Then para, by the side of. Para. Patho means pertaining to diseased condition. Per, through. Peri, around. Pago pertaining to eating or engulfing or ingesting something. Pharyngo means pertaining to throat or pharynx. Then plebo pertaining to a vein. Pneumo pertaining to respiration, the lungs or air, that is called a pneumonia. Pneumonia comes, the word pneumonia. Poly means many. Post, after or behind. Pre, before. Pro means before, in front of something. Procto pertaining to the rectum. Pseudo means false. Psycho means pertaining to the mind, psychology. Pulmo means pertaining to the lungs. Per pertaining to pus. Pylo pertaining to the kidney or pelvis. Pyo means pertaining to pus. Quadri means 4. Quar means 4. Quart means 4. Then retro, backward or behind. Reno, pertaining to the nose. Salpingo, pertaining to a tube. Sclero means hard, also means pertaining to the sclera. Semi means half or partial. Sub means under something or moderately. Super, above, excessive or more than normal, that is super. Supra, above. Tachy means fast. Thermo means pertaining to temperature. Thoraco, pertaining to the chest. Trans means across. Tri means 3. Uni means 1. Vaso means vessels, the blood vessels. Then so far we have seen about common prefixes which comes before the word. Common suffixes comes end of the word. They are common, very common suffixes used here. Algia, pertaining to pain. It comes after the word, that algia, pertaining to pain. Astheno, weakness. Blast, immature cell. Silly, pertaining to a tumor or swelling. Synthesis, pertaining to a procedure in which an organ or a body cavity is punctured. That is called synthesis. Often to drain excess fluid or obtain a sample for analysis. Site means cell. Ectomy, surgical removal of something. Then emia, pertaining to the presence of a substance in the blood. Genic, causing. Gram means record. Any recordical value is gram. Electrocardiogram. Graph means a record or the instrument used to create the record. So ECG is a graph. From that you are going to get ECG, electrocardiogram. It is means inflammation. Lysis, decline, disintegration or destruction, something. Megaly means enlargement of something. Then ology means science of studying something. Uma, that is carcinoma, tumor. Oasis, pertaining to a disease process, any disease process. Oasis or SAS. Ostomy, surgical creation of an opening or a hole. Then otomy, surgical incision. Pathy, disease or a system for treating a disease. Phagia, pertaining to eating or swallowing or engulfing something. Fascia, pertaining to speech. Phobia, pertaining to an irrational fear, some unwanted fear. Phobia. Plasty means plastic surgery. Plegia, paralysis. Pnea, pertaining to breathing. Ptosis, drooping. Rage means abnormal or excessive flow or discharge of something. Regia, abnormal excessive flow or discharge. Raphy means structure of or repair of something. Diarrhea, ria means flow or discharge. Scope means instrument for examination. Microscope, like that. Scopy means examination with an instrument. SIS is a process or action or any condition. Taxis means order or arrangement of something. Trophic means pertaining to nutrition. Urea, pertaining to a substance in the urine or the condition so indicated in the urine. And there are other suffixes, they are used here in medical terminology. They are called noun ending suffixes. The suffixes, but they have noun ending suffixes. So suffix will come at the end of the word, but these suffixes will come after the noun ending suffixes. For example, icle means small or tiny. Example, cuticle, small, tiny particle, cuticle. Word origin, how it came, this cuticle? Cut, skin. Kill means small. So cuticle. Definition, small skin surrounding the nail. The small skin surrounding the nail is called cuticle. Is structure or thing. hypodermis. Hypo means under, dermo means skin, is means structure. So hypodermis, structure under the skin is called hypodermis. ole, small, tiny. Arteriole, arterio means artery, ole means small, so small artery is called arteriole. Ule, that is venule, small, tiny. Vein means blood vessel, ule means small, a small vein is called venule. Structure, structure, thing or membrane. Endocardium, endo means within, cardia means heart, structure within the heart is called endocardium. Pericardium, endocardium, like that. Condition, Y means condition or process of something. Polydactyly, poly means many, much or excessive or frequent. Dactylo means digitous finger or digitous toe. Y means condition or process of something. So condition of excessive fingers or toes is called polydactyly. And there are some other suffixes, they are called adjective suffixes. These suffixes are usually having the meaning pertaining to something. For example, when the suffix ek, ac is added to the combining form cardio is added to this adjective suffix ek, the term cardiac is formed, which means pertaining to the heart, cardiac. Remember that when you see an adjective term, any adjective term, you need to see what it is describing. Cardiac pain is pain of the heart, and cardiac surgery is surgery done on the heart. So an adjective tells only half of the story. The remaining story is after adding the combining form of the word. So here you can see some of the adjective suffixes. Ek, like I said, pertaining to something, cardiac, heart, pertaining to heart, yale, pertaining to cervical means pertaining to the neck, pertaining to valvular, valve pertaining to the valve, ari means pertaining to coronary, coron means heart, crown means, that is crown like structure. Coronavirus is having crown like structure, so it is coronavirus. Ary pertaining to so coronary pertaining to the heart. Eel pertaining to something. Esophageal, esophagus, know that part of the digestive system, pertaining to that esophagus is called esophageal. Ic, pertaining to something, that is hypodermic. Hypo means below, derma means skin, so pertaining to below the skin, that is hypodermic. Ous, subcutaneous, pertaining to under skin. Cutane means skin, sub means under the skin, pertaining to under the skin, subcutaneous. So this corona literally means crown like structure, that is why coronavirus came, but is used most frequently to describe the arteries. Corona means artery, but actual meaning is crown like structure. That is why coronavirus is having crown like outer appearance, that is why it got the name coronavirus. Here it is pertaining to the arteries that supply blood to the heart, so the meaning heart has been added. So corona means pertaining to heart. There are some suffixes called pathology suffixes. They are joined with pathological condition. So pathology suffixes describe a disease process or a sign or a symptom of a disease. The meanings vary according to the dysfunctions of that of the body. So algia means pain. Cephalalgia, cepha means head pain in the head. Cili, herniation, cystocili. Cysto means bladder or sac. Cili means herniation or protrusion. So herniation of the bladder is called cystocili. Dynia, pain, cardiodinia, that is heart related pain in the heart. Emia, blood condition. Hyperlipidemia, excessive fat or lipid in the blood condition, that is excessive fats in the blood, hyperlipidemia. Aya, condition. Agastria, A means without, gastro means stomach, agastria, that is condition of having no stomach, is agastria. It means inflammation. Gastroenteritis, gastro, stomach, entero means small intestine, inflammation of the stomach and the small intestine is called gastroenteritis. Malacia, softening of something. Chondromalacia, chondro means cartilage, malacia means softening of that cartilage, softening of the cartilage. Then megaly means enlargement of something. Splenomegaly, spleen means the organ spleen, megaly enlargement in the spleen, the enlargement of the spleen. Oma means tumor. Mass, osteoma, osteo means bone, tumor, mass tumor related to bone, tumor of a bone, that is called osteoma. Then oasis, abnormal condition, psychosis, mind abnormal condition of the mind. Pathy, disease process, gastropathy, stomach disease process of the stomach. Ptosis means prolapse or drooping. Hysteroptis, hystero means uterus, prolapse means ptosis, prolapse or drooping, prolapse of the uterus. Rage or regia, bursting forth. Hemorrhage, hemo means blood, rage means bursting forth of the blood. Ria means discharge or flow. Otorrhea, oto means ear discharge or ear flow, discharge from the ear, otorrhea. Rhexis, rupture of something, cystorhexis, cysto means bladder or sac, rhexis means rupture of the bladder. Sclerosis, abnormal condition of hardening. Arteriosclerosis, artery means arterio, sclerosis, abnormal condition of hardening. So abnormal condition of hardening of an artery. Stenosis means abnormal condition of narrowing, just opposite to sclerosis. Tracheostenosis, trachea, that the lungs tube, trachea that is windpipe. Stenosis, abnormal condition of narrowing of the trachea, is called stenosis. Some common root words used. Akku means here. Adip means fat. Alb means white. Algus, pain. Andro means male. Aorta, large artery existing from the left ventricle of the heart. Aqua, water. Asphyxia, lack of oxygen or excess of carbon dioxide in the body that results in unconsciousness, that is called asphyxia. Astheno means weak. Adi means to hear, audible or audible. Bronch means windpipe, bronchio. Buck means cheek, two sides of the cheek, buck. Barsha means pouch or a sac, small sac is called barsha. Callus means hard, thick skin, also a meshwork of connective tissue that forms during the healing process after a fracture. Carcine means cancer. Carotid, great arteries of the neck. Corpus means wrist area. Cent means a fraction in the metric system. 100th of that one is centimeter, like that. Centi means to puncture a body cavity. Cili means eyelid, cilia, like that. Cilido means clavicle. Then cubitus means elbow. circle or cycle. Digit means finger or toe. Then eddy means swelling of something. Esthesio pertaining to sensation or perception. Febro, fever. Flux means bend. Foramen, that is foramen means opening. Fract means break. Gest means carry, produce, congestion. Gno means no. Gram means something written or recorded. Graph means write or record something. Humerus means the bone in the upper arm is called humerus. Ed means separate or distinct. Iodo means iodine. Lacto means milk. Lingu means lingual or lingu, dunk. Men, month. Occult means eye. O means ovary or O means egg. Palpate means to examine by touch. It is called palpation. Palpate. Ped means child or food. Food. Percus means to examine by striking. Then phot means light, photon. Pleur means rib or side. Pod means foot. Then toe means fall. Tile means saliva, Tyalin. Pyre means fire. Radius, the forearm bone on the thumb side, also a line from the center of a circle or sphere to the edge. That is called radius. Reno means kidney. Reno means kidney. Retina, inner nerve containing layer of the eye. That is retina, retinal part. Then sanguine means blood. Sebum, a fatty secretion of the sebaceous gland. Sect means cut. Sepsis, the presence of microorganisms are septic. There are toxins in the blood. Also the toxic conditions caused by such presence. Sept means wall. Divider, separation, sept. Also seven, septo. Serum means the clear portion of body fluids, including blood. Sinus means cavity or channel or hollow space. Soma means body. Spur means coil. Stasis means slowing or stopping of the normal flow of a fluid, such as blood. Stature, height. Sterno means sternum, breastbone is called sterno. Stoma, any small opening on the surface of the body, such as a pore, also the opening created in the abdominal wall for the passage of urine or feces. Tact means touch. Tetra, 4. Tom means cut. Toxic means poisonous. Trike means hair. Urine. Varicose vein. Vertigo, a disordered sensation in which one's own body or the surroundings are perceived as moving. Then viscera, internal organs. Viscous, sticky. Zen, foreign material. Zer, dry. And you can see some of the common combining forms of these words. Combining forms. So body parts are shown here and their combining forms are shown here. Surrounding the figure are terminology wheels. You see that wheels are there both the side of the body. They are called terminology wheels that show how different suffixes can be added to form a combining form of a word, to make a variety of terms. Combining different see that suffixes present in the wheels, you can produce new combining form of words. Here you see that this wheel is having stomy, plasty, logi, scope, algia, ophthalmo, like that. Here it is stomy, plasty, logi, scope, algia. So you see that you are having rhino. Using rhino also you can coin the words. Using hepato you can coin the word. Ophthalmo you can coin the word. This is eye, ophthalmo, nose, rhino, ear meant auto, liver, hepato, stomach, gastro, joint area, arthro, and here auto, gastro, arthro. Using all these main parts you can add all these suffixes. Tomy, plasty, logi, scope, algia, and you will get a different terminologies, medical terminologies with the different combinations. That's called combining forms. combining forms, combination, different combinations. You'll get a different meaning. So for that you are having wheels, terminology wheels. These are all called terminology wheels. Using these terminology wheels, you can take any root word, any main word, and it can be added with any suffix, and a combining word can be formed. Common combining forms and suffixes. Combining forms, suffixes: arthro, joint; gastro, stomach; ophthalmo, eye; algia, pain; tomy, cutting; scope means instrument to view. Combining forms: oto, ear; rhino, nose; hepato, liver; logi, study of; plasty, surgical; forming, it is inflammation. So here here in the table you can see it demonstrates how terms are presented with this word urgence. Notice that the first column includes the term. Here you have the term. The second column, here word origin is there. It breaks the term down into word parts and their meanings. The third column, last column, it includes the definition of the term, and any synonym is there, it will give that synonym also. For example, arthralgia, joint pain; pain of joint also called arthrodynia. Gastro, synonym, arthrodynia. Gastrotomy, gastro means stomach; cutting, tomy, incision of the stomach. Hepatitis, liver inflammation of the liver. Ophthalmoscope, ophthalmo means eye; scope means instrument to view something, so instrument used to view the eye. Otology, oto means ear; logy, study of the ear; otology. Rhinoplasty, rhino means nose; surgically forming, plasty, so surgical formation of. Dear friends, hope you have become familiar with some of the medical terminologies, some of the terms used, some of the medical words which is commonly used in the medical area. I hope whoever is watching this session will come to know about those words that will help them a lot wherever they go. So I'll be giving more words, more informations about these medical terms in the other video sessions also. Until then, it is a bye from KNS Biochemistry. Thank you very much. Namaskar.